From spreading phishing links to literally scamming Supercell, these are the 12 ways to get banned in Brawl Stars. Have you ever wanted to go to prison? Well, there's actually a way for you to go to a literal jail because of Brawl Star. Thanks to something called phishing, and this is when you send fake links to steal personal information of other players. And if you get caught doing this in the United States, you can pay up to $2,000 in fines and even a prison sentence. Most other countries also have strict rules for phishing, so unless you plan on stealing the rarest account in the world, it's really not worth it. Everyone has a friend who never stops stalking in chat, but did you know this can actually get you banned? And that's actually surprising to many players. But according to the Brawl Star, to using in-game chat for spamming, advertising, or scamming can get you banned. So the next time that your friend starts spamming, simply just tell them that you've reported it to the authorities. If you've ever played with a really bad Edgar, you've probably been tempted to find out their IP home address, credit card number. Okay, that's a bit too far now. Even though they're trash, asking for personal information is against Supercell's rules, meaning you're definitely getting banned. So unless you want to live in a world where he's allowed to play and you're not, just keep your mouth shut. In the early days of Map Maker, players created what seemed like hack maps, but they were actually just regular maps with altered game files. This was also possible during the Godzilla event where players created maps while mutations existed, resulting in players having some abilities when in reality they really shouldn't. If you ever get banned in Clash Royale or Heyday, there's a chance you might get banned in Brawl Stars as well. This is Supercell's way of protecting their whole platform so evil players don't abuse every possible game they made. Although this rule isn't always enforced, it's still a possibility, so it's best to keep your hands on one ban at a time. But chances are you'll probably smash your phone before getting banned on Clash Royale. Modifying the game is one thing, but using third-party software to boost your win rate can guarantee you a ban, even though it is uncommon due to Supercell's anti-cheats. Some players still try to use software and bots to do this, but this can be super dangerous to try, as even if you really want to install one just for fun, most hacks you see online will end up giving you a nasty virus and maybe even ban you from your own computer. My advice is just get better at playing, and there's one known rule among the Brawl Stars community. Contact support if you want to get banned, and this saying is for good reason, because even though noobs think it will help, veterans will tell you that Brawl Stars has the worst support ever. Besides Supercell having some issues around the customer support system, many players get angry for unfairness of their issue and start to harass the support team by spamming them or even swearing. Maybe we should give the support team some more credit. Speaking of customer support, there's one other way to get banned through this questionable support system, and that's by providing incorrect information to the support team, and this can lead to a ban. The problem is players do this by accident since they don't know the detailed answers to support's complicated questions. Fortunately enough, most of these bans are just temporary, and I bet the report button looks super familiar, especially after getting killed by Edgar. It's specifically designed to help you flag players that are always trolling or breaking the rules, but if you keep spamming reports or being killed like the noobs that you are, then get ready to part ways with Brawl Stars. Many players have wished to play Brawl Stars on PC, and well, there is a way to do this by using an emulator, but you guessed it, it's against the rules. Supercell loves to swing that ban hammer in the corner watching you get all of this idea. Currently, Supercell is actually expanding to have their games on desktop, but Brawl Stars hasn't made the cut yet, and it will probably won't for a while. It's probably for the best, as I know someone out there is going to waste a NASA computer just to play Dynamite. Everyone knows that Brawl Stars has a map maker feature, but like every other game, grant creativity to players is always a disaster. This feature enables players to make their own map once they hit over 1,000 trophies, which is quite easy to reach. However, as expected, some players took things too far by designing inappropriate and offensive maps with questionable pixel art, offensive symbols, and even hate messages. This can lead to a 2-day ban, and repeated offenses might result in a permanent ban. As with any game, technical difficulties and mistakes can occur. So no hard feelings, right? This would be the case if there wasn't so many accidental bans Supercell tends to do. And this is a lot for random reasons in all of its games, and well, it drives people mad. Some players have even spent thousands of dollars on Supercell games just to get this treatment. There you have it. These were the the 12 ways to get banned in Brawl Stars. If you know any more ways to get banned on Brawl Stars, you can simply comment it down below and share it with others. If you have related into this video, please don't forget to give this video a like and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.